Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you meet the prerequisites: active Kfueit enrollment, your admission or registration number, and a government ID. Once ready, find the account activation notice sent by admissions or IT. This contains the only activation route. Click the institution's activation link, choose the student account option, and enter your official details exactly as recorded. Use a recovery email and phone now. Verification happens immediately, so be ready to receive codes and confirm ownership. Once the portal accepts your identity, you proceed to detailed fields: full name, admission number, and program. You must match university records. Mismatches delay activation. Next, create a strong password that meets complexity rules. You'll see strength feedback. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then set recovery options: a phone number and second email so you can reset if locked out. Make sure to review and accept the institution's terms. Then submit to provision the account. This triggers the backend creation. After provisioning, log into the newly created Kfueit Gmail account and complete profile details. Display name, signature, and any forwarding rules the university requires. Verify mail delivery by sending and receiving a test message, and make sure two-step verification is enabled for security. If something goes wrong, errors during activation, or missing inbox, stop and gather evidence: the admission number, screenshots, and exact error text. Then contact IT support directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.